Hi, I am Stephen DeVoy. I earned my degrees in computer science and philosophy from the University of Massachusetts and have been programming for more than 4 decades. Over the years, I've worked across many areas of software development, including artificial intelligence, compilers, and systems programming. Across all of these domains, one thing became clear: understanding the fundamentals matters, and C remains one of the best ways to learn them. C is one of the most influential programming languages ever created. It has shaped many modern languages and brings programmers closer to the machine, helping them understand how data is represented and how software interacts with hardware. With minimal guardrails, it promotes disciplined thinking, memory awareness, and precision skills that carry over to any language. That's why I wrote C Programming Essentials, to offer a clear, structured, and practical introduction to C while helping you build a deeper understanding of how software works at a fundamental level. This book follows the original K and R style of C to ensure broad compatibility across compilers. The examples are designed to work across Linux, Unix, and Windows, so you can focus on concepts rather than platform differences. We start with the core basics, move through key data structures and pointers, and then cover input-output, macros, and user-defined types. We then conclude with advanced topics like memory management, concurrency, simulation, and how programs are compiled, linked, executed, and stored in memory. The focus throughout is on hands-on learning. You'll build real programs, work directly with the terminal, and organize code across multiple files. Along the way, you'll explore deeper topics, often missing from beginner texts, including function pointers, modular design, and memory safety. The book assumes no prior programming experience. It is suitable both as a classroom textbook and for self-guided learning in C. It is intended for managers, executives, hobbyists, and programmers alike. I hope you enjoy reading it as much as I enjoyed writing it.